Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are doing your homework and assignments properly. Students, today we will do science unit number 2, page number 7 and exercise. And this is video number 5. I am Mrs. Skina Imtiaz. Let's start. Look at page number 7. Page number 7 of the book, unit number 2, living and growing. Exercise. This is the page of the book, true and false. Now look at this question. Put a tick next to the sentences that are true. Okay. We will read these sentences, and if these sentences are true, mean anyone is true, like this, number 1, it is true, then we will put tick, and if it is false, then we will put cross. Okay. Now look at number 1, A part. All human beings began life as babies. Is it true or false? True. Okay. Listen again. All human beings began life as babies. It is true. And put here tick. Now number 2, B part. All human beings grow to the same size. Is it true or false? False. Put here cross. Listen again. All human beings grow to the same size. Why it is false? Because all human beings have different size. Okay, not same size. Grow to the different size, not same size. So it is false, and put here cross, number 2. Now number 3. Living things die if they do not eat food or drink water. It is true. Why it is true? Because you have studied in this chapter about living things. Living things need food, water, and air to stay alive. And if living things don't have food or drink water, then what happens? They become die. Is it clear? So this is true. Listen again this statement. Living things die if they do not eat food or drink water. It is true. Now number D. All human beings look the same. It is true or false? False. Because all human beings have different shape, different structure like this. So all human beings look the same. It is false. Put here cross. Not same. All human beings different. Okay. Number E. Plants and animals begin life as babies. It is true. Put here tick, because plants and animals are living things, and living things start life cycle, begin life as a babies. Okay. Now number 5. Human beings, plants and animals grow up. It is true or false? True. Put here tick, because human beings, plants and animals all are all living things, and living things then can grow. Okay, so this is the property of living things. Living things can grow up. So this is true. Put here tick. Is it clear? Now we will do exercise. This exercise is not given in your book. You can see from here, you can copy from here. Unit number 2, living and growing. Living and growing. Question number 1 in question answers. Okay, first we will do question answers. In this chapter, there are only 2 question answers, and then fill in the blanks, and then true false. Now look at number 1. Name 5 living things. Name 5 living things. Answer. Number 1, girl, boy, cat, bird, dog, and tree. Okay, girl, boy, cat, bird, dog, and tree. Question number 2. Name 5 non-living things. Name 5 non-living things. Answer. Number 1, wall, car, cup, desk, book, and pen. Is it clear? Listen again. Wall, car, cup, desk, book, and pen. This is the answer of question number 2. Now read with me. First I will speak, then you have to read, okay? Name 5 living things. Number 1, girl, boy, cat, bird, dog, and tree. Number 2, name 5 non-living things. Wall, car, cup, desk, book, and pen. Okay, and also in video number 4 you have seen pictures of living things and non-living things, and now you have to write question answers. When you have to write names of living things and names of non-living things. Okay, now look at this question. Fill in the blanks. Now some words are given here: water, air, food, girl, boy. Which one? Listen again. Water, air, food, girl, boy. Okay, now these are the blanks, and you have to choose correct word and then write here. Number 1, all living things need what? Water, air, food, girl, or boy. What will come here? Food. All living things need food. Okay, now number 2, we cannot live without water. What will come here? This is the blank. We cannot live without what? Water, air, food, girl, or boy. Here will come water. We cannot live without water. Is it clear? Number 3, all living things need dash to breathe. What we need? Water, air, food, girl or boy? We need air to breathe. All living things need air to breathe. Okay. Number 4. A baby dash grows up to be a woman. Water, air, food, girl or boy? What will come here? A baby, girl or boy? A baby, girl. A baby, girl grows up to be a woman. Number 5. A baby dash grows up to be a man. Girl or boy? Boy. Okay. A baby boy. What will come here? Boy. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Is it clear? Now listen again. Just you have to read and understand the sentence, and then according to sentence you have to put word. Okay. Right word. Mean all living things need. What will come here? Food. All living things need food. Number 2. We cannot live without what? Water. We cannot live without water. Number 3. All living things need dash to breathe. What will come here? Air. All living things need air to breathe. Number 4. A baby dash a baby dash grows up to be a woman. A baby girl. What will come here? A baby girl grows up to be a woman. Number 5. A baby dash grows up to be a man. What will come here? Baby boy. A baby boy grows up to be a man. Is it clear? These all are fill in the blanks. Now, true false. Again, true false, and you have to put T and F. Number 1. All human beings begin life as babies. Is it true or false? True. T. What will come here? T. All human beings begin life as babies. It is true. And right here in front of this sentence, T. Now number 2. All human beings grow to the same size. All human beings grow to the same size. It is true or false? False. F. You have to write in front of this sentence F. Okay? It is false. Now number 3. Living things die if they do not eat food or drink water. Listen again. Living things die if they do not eat food or drink water. It is true or false? True. And right here, T. Number 4. Plants and animals begin life as babies. True or false? True. Listen again. Plants and animals begin life as babies. It is true. Now number 5. Human beings, plants and animals grow up. Human beings, plants and animals grow up. It is true. It is true. And write T in front of this sentence. Okay? This is the exercise and you have to learn. And your homework is memorize question answers, fill in the blanks, and true false. Okay? Watch this video again and again, then you can learn and you can understand, inshallah. Okay? Okay, see you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.